Hello, ambitious individuals. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of a life of financial abundance but feel limited by your current income? Well, you're in the right place. I'm here to share with you 9 game-changing strategies that will help you get rich, even on a small income. Yes, you heard me right. It's not about how much you make, but how you manage what you have. Number 1. Budget like a boss. Take control of your finances by creating a detailed budget that tracks your income and expenses. This simple yet powerful tool will help you identify opportunities to save and invest. Number 2. Cut unnecessary expenses. Do you really need that daily latte or expensive subscription service? By cutting back on non-essential expenses, you'll free up more money to put towards your financial goals. Number 3. Invest in yourself. Whether it's learning a new skill, pursuing higher education, or starting a side hustle, investing in yourself can lead to endless opportunities for growth and financial success. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Number 4. Network like a pro. They say your network is your net worth, and it's true. By expanding your circle of influence and surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals, you'll open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. Number 5. Embrace the power of multiple streams of income. Diversifying your income sources can provide stability and security, even on a small income. Explore freelance work, rental properties, or passive income streams to boost your earnings. Number 6. Save and invest wisely. It's not about how much you make, but how much you keep. By consistently saving and investing a portion of your income, you'll set yourself up for long-term financial success. Number 6. Educate yourself on financial literacy. Understanding the basics of personal finance, investing, and wealth-building strategies is crucial to making informed decisions that will lead to financial prosperity. Number 8. Think long-term. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is wealth. Stay focused on your goals, remain disciplined, and remember that financial success is a journey, not a destination. Number 9. Stay persistent and resilient. Building wealth on a small income is not easy, but with determination, perseverance, and a positive mindset, you can achieve unimaginable success. So there you have it, 9 powerful ways to get rich on a small income. Are you ready to take control of your financial future and achieve the wealth you deserve? Start implementing these strategies today, and watch your financial dreams become a reality. Remember, wealth is not a privilege, it's a choice. Make the choice to invest in yourself and your future today. Like, share, and subscribe for more valuable tips on wealth building and financial empowerment. Together, we can all achieve greatness.